Okay, we have some breaking news, if you will, that quote, air quotes intended, something big is coming from the lead Shiba Inu developer himself. I tell you what that is. What do you think it is? What do you think the quote, air quotes, something big that is coming is? I think I know what it is, but I'm curious as to what you think. So drop in the comments below. If you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button below. Drop a like on this video. Greatly appreciate it. Trying to help grow the ClearCryptos channel. My name is Austin Hilton. If you're not familiar with me, I have my own YouTube channel and I make crypto content over there. So if you want to go check it out, go check that out over there. Just my name, Austin Hilton. It's not real hard. You can see it. Actually, it's right there. There's my name right there. Woohoo. Okay. But I also make content for the Clear channel because I love this project and love what they're doing and support this project. Okay, so links in the description to all things Clear as well. All right, so here we go. What is the something big that is coming from Shiba Inu? Here's what I think it is. It is coming from Satoshi Kusama himself, who is the lead face developer. He has put up some mysterious Twitter messages and posts. Here they are, right here. So this is actually one of his toast. That was funny. One of his posts. On the first day, my true love gave to me. Okay. So that was the post, puzzling the community. All right. He also updated his location to close, like the location of where he's at. You know, you can put a location in Twitter. All right. So what do you think this is? I firmly believe this has to do with right there. It has to do with the fact that they're getting close to releasing Shibarium. This is the major, big, huge part of the upcoming and forthcoming Shiba Inu ecosystem that we've been waiting on, which is Shibarium. It is their own layer 2 blockchain. All right. So Shiba Inu will have their own blockchain. All right. Now, why do we care? We care for multiple reasons. Number one, it's going to, give us massively fast times by processing times by leveraging their own blockchain. It's going to have its own deflationary burn mechanism built into it. For every single transaction that runs through Shibarium, there's going to be a small percentage carved out that's going to basically be going to go to burning Shiba Inu. All things going forward in the Shiba Inu ecosystem that are relevant to run on the Shibarium blockchain will do so. This would be obviously probably the Metaverse and some other, other components of the Shiba Inu ecosystem. This is a good thing. All right. So this is the major, in my opinion, is the major, huge, big, something big is coming is Shibarium, because the Metaverse is probably more like the Shiba Inu Metaverse that's in development right now is definitely a next year, probably end Q3, Q4 scenario for the Metaverse. Okay. So what do you think? Drop in the comments below. As always, if you're wanting to learn more about Clear and get more involved with ClearCryptos, links in the description below. Check them out. Run it through your own due diligence. I will see you. Take care. Go make some money. Bye.